Brian,
Yes, grandfather.
Brian, when your grandmama come out of the bathroom, tell her say me gone down and me pang shop to see if me catch 1 dozen egg. Because from Christmas, me can't get no egg. Mm? And my body feel like it a run down, you know, me want 2 egg to put in my body, yeah.
Okay, grandfather.
Good evening, Mr. Pang.
Good evening,
You have
honorable
any egg there,
Fanso.
sir? Oh, me I beg you to trust me 1 dozen egg there. Cause from Christmas me can't get no egg. What on me Parry Constantine?
Yeah, I got church
Why you ever
Fanso.
there shop front a hold up his shop? It's like you are double six. You ever pose up and shop front? Yes. No, no, me not going to church tonight. But I have a thing to tell you, you know. You know me already. I don't want to bring out the church business. But it's only me and you alone can see it full. Because I don't hear anybody you can see it full with, you know. Because then we bring back your name. But you never hear about the pastor. Eh? You know hear what on them man let me put on the head you coming over. They go broke. You never hear what go on with pastor. After Sister Hermin asked Pastor about the burying, Pastor give Sister Hermin one whole episode. It's like the whole 66 book out of the Bible, Pastor give Sister Hermin. Like him well righteous to you know. Sister Hermin says she go down at church. Pastor never been no say she a come. So she out her door and she a call and a call because you know Pastor already always in the vestry. And Sister Hermin says she call and she call. Eh? She call all the passing phone. No heart, she not here. So she decide to climb up on 2 block and peep up in the vestry. Hey, hey, Parry, me Constantine, make I tell you. When Sister Hermin climb up and look, he see Pastor in our uncompromising situation. So as you know me already, me very fast. And them the big word them me no know. So me say, Sister Hermin, what you mean by that uncompromising situation? Sister Hermin say, when she look and she see Pastor, her Pastor, Pastor, I move like a bulldog them. Eh? Yes. He says, "See, Pastor, in our situation there, he couldn't believe. Baba, me don't even want to talk. Because them the same thing they not supposed to carry on much less for a come out and fi me mouth. And no say me a church member too. So me can't repeat them the same thing they we are going. But it ain't good. It never been good at all. You know, tan good. And fi no say I where there him attack to Sister Hermin. About holiness and righteousness. And we see this week, yeah, he come. Eh? No, 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 no. He no look good. And when me say to Sister Hermin, say, then a wara somebody in have the compromising situation, you know. Hey, Sister Hermin say, I want young chick. So I never know say person Still a full round young chick. But as you know, I don't know if a the part of the Bible where say King David, hmm, when he whole, he get a young damsel to keep him warm. So he look like a that, then still a go on with. Because as the Bible best say, so in the beginning, so in the end. So how must see that? So me not to blame him. Me not to blame him. And King David was God's own heart. So I must say King David style and take up. Yes, me feel say so. But me nah go chastise the person too much at all, you know, man. Because the devil out there seeking who he may devour. So he look like he person now pray as much. Because the Bible go back or tell you say you feel pray without season. But it look like they must think say a all purpose season. Or oregano season, or basil season. They don't know say are the season. Yes, it mean morning, noon, and night. That's the season the Bible is talking about. It's not the season where you take put in a food. So they must have get it wrong. Because as you know already, say we not read well, so we must get it wrong. All right? But fanso, we are bother God church for do a fanso. Because you never hear what you see here, leave it here or don't come back here. You can't be taking out the church business like that coming to tell us we unsaved, you know, fanso. Fanso, that is not good. You need to keep the church business into the church. That's the reason why we don't want to go to church, you know, Fanso, because when we hear you coming now and telling us all these type of things about the pastor, about your church sister and all those things, Fanso, that don't make we want to come to church. Because the church is a holy place. And if we out here in the world see the church not living, then we don't want to come to the church. So it's best you keep the church business into the church. You understand, fans? So don't come back here and come out here, come tell me anything about the church. Keep the church business to yourself. But boy, fans, so you look like you love mix up, though, you know. As a man, I go to church. I'm telling you. But I hope you can change and I hope you are doing the right thing, you know, Fanso. Because it doesn't make sense you are preaching in the people and preaching out yourself, you know. As Paul said, he don't want to be a cast out. I'm telling you, Fanso. Yes. Because you know me already. Me have to sit down out a shop here and roll up the shop and drink me two beer and all these things. So, you understand?